Dentitox Pro Review. Dentitox Pro is a powerful healthy gums and teeth formula by Marc, which consists of amazing vitamins and plants, such as vitamins A, C, D3 and K2, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, micro-encapsulated calcium (MEC), xylitol, collagen, MSM and spearmint, peppermint that helps improve oral health, hygiene and dental issues. As indicated by the authority site, this supplement is a fine mix of common elements, each of which gives particular dental health advantages. Yet, it is probably not going to see a dental supplement, and that too in a fluid structure. Does that mean it's anything but a genuine item? Not. Dentitox Pro has as of late acquired acclaim after a couple of clients attempted it and shared their involvement with different well-being discussions. They were as shocked to consider them to be as any individual told about this supplement. Even though it is a generally new item, its distinction is expanding every other day, and the organization has effectively sold numerous containers. In case that you wish to check it out, read review and think about it. What should you know about it? The purpose of Dentitox Pro is to secure against gum sicknesses, awful breath, plaque, and tooth roots, which are all brought about by helpless individual cleanliness. Numerous individuals accept that personal cleanliness just methods brushing the teeth 2 times each day. Incredibly, they foster dental issues, leaving them thinking about how it is even conceivable because they consistently brush their teeth. Study available at dried licorice root prevents tooth decay and gum disease. Well-being specialists recommend that it is as yet conceivable to foster tooth rot and gum illnesses regardless of whether you are brushing your teeth consistently. Dental cleanliness is fundamental for everybody, except it isn't bound to brushing, as it were. Nonetheless, the individuals who usually brush their teeth are in a much preferable situation over the individuals who never trouble cleaning their teeth. On the opposite side, some cutting-edge considers have changed this narrative, recommending both these individuals are at an expanded danger of oral medical issues. Regardless of all the publicity made on gum sicknesses and dental rot, even awful breath doesn't connect with an individual's oral hygiene. It demonstrates the poor microbiome covered inside your mouth, throat, and gut, answerable for all the dental health problems you might be confronting. Very few individuals realize that the human body is home to trillions of microorganisms separated into good and bad classifications. Due to the dietary, behavior changes, stress, and helpless cleanliness, unsafe microorganisms now and then assume control over the great microscopic organisms, causing different tooth and gums infections or awful breath. Dentitox Pro contains natural elements that may help beat this irregular spread of unsafe microbes, invigorate the mouth, and forestall further harm. What is Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro is a homegrown equation that recovers from plaque and tartar development, prompting different dental sicknesses. All elements inside it are extricated from premium quality natural elements, guaranteeing a 100% safe and hazard-free nature. It is a US-made item that the manufacturer makes it utilizing an FDA-supported and GMP-insured office. The entire interaction to make this item is clean, affirming superior quality and standards through the technique. It is a non-GMO item, henceforth all right for everybody. The authority site affirms it to liberate from poisons, energizers, added substances, and covered-up elements. The organization is open about the elements list, giving no motivation to scrutinize this dietary mix. Dentitox Pro is a non-propensity shaping item, and you can utilize it however long you need. It will not get you snared on it, and whenever of its use, you can stop it without encountering any withdrawal impacts. Additionally, read what Dentitox Pro client reviews are saying about this item. Do Dentitox Pro drops truly assist with sound gums and teeth? Visit to understand more. Dentitox Pro ingredients. The manufacturer of Dentitox Pro credits each of the advantages to its elements. As per the authority site, these elements are from the most natural characteristic sources. At that point, they consolidated the elements utilizing around-date hardware, making a recipe in a fluid structure. Dentitox Pro contains over a dozen ingredients, including mushroom elderberry, xylitol, sage, MSM, Indian licorice root extract, neem, collagen, cinnamon, peppermint essential oil, and more. Here's what the full list of ingredients looks like. Vitamin A, 1500 U, vitamin D3, 600 U, vitamin K2, 120 mcg. Study available at Vitamin K2, the miracle vitamin for good teeth and bones. Phosphorus, from ionized phosphoric corrosive, 50 mg. Potassium, as potassium chloride, 50 mg. Zinc, as zinc citrate, 6 mg. Calcium, as miniature typified calcium, 50 mg. Study available at the role of calcium, vitamin D and phosphorus in maintaining healthy teeth. Iron, 3 mg. Potassium, 350 mg. The manufacturer acquires these supplements from the accompanying elements. Elderberry, Sambucus nigra natural product extricate. The best part of its advantages are against basic colds and other infections, as it improves insusceptibility, bringing down the danger of microbial assaults. It likewise lessens torment, particularly nerve torment that is regular in dental patients. Xylitol, not simply the oral cleanliness, this Dentitox Pro ingredient additionally improves resistance, helps in absorption, and keeps up bone digestion. It keeps the client from encountering weight and even aids against infections treated with medications. Study available at Xylitol, everything you need to know. Sage, flavor upgrading spice with antimicrobial properties. One of its elementary jobs is to kill dental plaque arrangement. It especially forestalls depression arrangement and debilitating gums and teeth. MSM, it has different medical advantages, yet the most conspicuous is its job in keeping up cell construction and saving them from the harms of free revolutionaries. It likewise has an impact on the natural element component of the body, protecting from additional damage. Indian licorice root extract, a naturally transpiring compound in licorice root called glycyrrhizin, saves the teeth from rotting. This spice likewise gives stomach-related advantages, protecting the body from misery and agony. Neem, a typical element in Ayurveda celebrated for its antibacterial, calming impacts. Different investigations affirm the anti-plaque and anti-gingivitis effects of the neem tree. Collagen, this Dentitox Pro ingredient advances the mending of gums, teeth, and uncovered roots. It additionally recuperates the affectability of gums and secures root rot and irritation in the dental hole. Likewise, look at Steel Chomp experts for oral well-being support. Cinnamon, cinnamon is a seasoning bark with an extreme smell and taste, naturally advanced with antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiviral, antifungal, and sedative impacts. Peppermint essential oil, this plant offers antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, stimulatory, germ-free, and narcotic impacts. Hence, the pharmacists regularly add it to toothpaste and mouthwashes. Study available at 6 essential oils for healthy gums and teeth. The manufacturer combines these elements as one in an ideal proportion that supplements the working of one another and doesn't cause hazardous cooperation. As a recipe, Dentitox Pro is 100% safe for everybody because these characteristic elements inside have no results to bring to the table. The odds of an unfavorably susceptible response brought about by these elements are additionally uncommon. In any case, individuals with a known history of food sensitivities should check this element list cautiously. If they see a dubious ingredient connected with their allergies, the best way is to keep away from this supplement altogether. Others with no food sensitivities can keep taking Dentitox Pro without stressing over any bothersome impacts. How does Dentitox Pro work? According to Dentitox Pro review, Dentitox Pro does not have any complicated process, and its working is easy and simple. It improves teeth and gums health, and other dental issues with the use of natural ingredients proven to be beneficial for the body. It also helps fight diseases and protects your teeth from damage. As referenced previously, Dentitox Pro arrives in a fluid structure, and one jug has a serving size of 30 ml, which is sufficient for the entire month. The day-by-day portion of this supplement is just 1 ml, or 5 to 6 drops applied straightforwardly to teeth and gums. The experts resolve these measurements according to a solid eating regimen plan of 2,000 calories each day. Individuals who eat over these calories may require more drops to make Dentitox Pro work. In any case, it is encouraged to chop down your day-by-day calories and set it around 2,000 calories. Thus, the body will keep a solid weight and improve dental well-being simultaneously. Never blend or utilize this supplement with some other supplement pills, medications, or homegrown concentrates. There are high possibilities that it will connect with different elements and cause unfavorable results. For your security, forego experimentation. Additionally, never utilize any dietary supplement with liquor or any cocktail. Advantages. Each client is encouraged to utilize these drops once per day. It would take between 4 to about 2 months to show recognizable impacts, yet the dental harm is more than ordinary. It might require as long as a half year for a total tidy up. Most clients experience full advantages within 3 to a half years, even with a great deal of harm and plaque. Here is what's in store from this supplement. Dentitox Pro is the best dental health supplement to removal of plaque, relief from dental irritation, torment and improved helpful bacterial tally. Prevent shaping tartar, permanent answer for awful breath, no more yellowing of teeth. This formula supports protection from subsiding gums, low hazard of dental affectability. It helps removes caffeine stains from the teeth, improved dental well-being. It isn't workable for 2 clients to encounter indistinguishable impacts during a similar time. The healing and alleviation have different autonomous elements connected, which could be distinctive for each client. Thus, clients are prompted not to contrast their outcomes and various clients and give Dentitox Pro an ideal opportunity to show its belongings. Best about Dentitox Pro supplement. In light of the data shared on the web, the Dentitox Pro contains the accompanying advantages. 100% natural equation, non-stimulatory, no withdrawal impacts, non-propensity framing, safe for everybody, US-made item, affordable refund strategy. Dentitox Pro side effects, if any? No Dentitox Pro side effects is reported because it contains 100% natural ingredients that is completely safe to use. Dentitox Pro is the 100% natural and demonstrated solution with the experimentally sponsored fixings to improve your healthy teeth and gums. That's why no Dentitox Pro scam is reported. All in all, there are no symptoms of this dental health supplement. Its natural plan makes it 100% safe for all clients. Nonetheless, there are a couple of constraints of this item. In the first place, it is just appropriate for individuals more than 18 years old and not suggested for kids. Whenever utilized by underage individuals, it might cause unwanted impacts, which is why it's not a good recommendation. It is also not a reasonable decision for pregnant and breastfeeding moms, as the body goes through different advances at this point, and utilizing another item may cause results. Finally, individuals with basic ailments and day-by-day drugs should try not to take the Dentitox Pro. Whenever utilized with drugs, it might associate and cause outrageous results. There are additionally odds of it influencing the illness, aggravating it whenever used without talking with a specialist. If you don't know about utilizing Dentitox Master Drops, contact your closest medical services supplier and concern using this supplement. Refund policy. Particular outcomes may fluctuate. All sets of Dentitox Pro accompany a 60-day unconditional promise. Indeed, you have heard it right. The organization is prepared to send back the all-out request worth of an individual who has neglected to perceive any progressions in his oral well-being after utilizing Dentitox Pro for half a month. The term to demand this discount is 60 days, which is a very sizable amount of time to try and assess another item. There are no unknown charges or membership offers. Everything necessary is an ideal opportunity for you where you can attempt to choose about utilizing it later. There will be no solicitations made after 60 days of the request acknowledged. The manufacturer mentions each client to keep the time-related standards, or they would refuse the refund. The discount demands are made to the site straightforwardly. You need to converse with a client care delegate and offer your anxiety. He will not pass judgment on you or ask you inquiries. After affirming the request from the organization's records, he would start your discount interaction. Dentitox Pro reviews. Conclusion. All in all, Dentitox Pro is an all-natural healthy teeth and gums formula created by Marc, made with 100% pure ingredients that designed to protect against gum diseases, bad breath, plaque and others dental issues. The supplement are positive by all customer reviews and get many benefits for the teeth and overall health. Dentitox Pro is a recently delivered equation that backings oral well-being and cleanliness. The pharmacists make this equation of common elements, and it is set up in a GMP-insured office and tried before being shipped off the market. Each client is required to apply the Dentitox Pro drops to the teeth and gums straightforwardly consistently. Even though individual outcomes may change, buyers may see supplements as far as the expulsion of plaque and security from subsiding gums inside half a month. At present, the organization is offering a tremendous markdown on its unique cost. If you need to give your teeth a treat, attempt Dentitox Pro drops and perceive how the recipe functions for you. If you don't like the product, the organization's discount strategy is here to get your cash.